First of all, thank you to everyone that watched the intro video of the Super G. It went down really well. I actually got about 25 to 30 new subscribers just from that video, so it went down really well. Make sure to find it and check it out if you haven't seen it first, because this is a follow-up video to that. The video went down very well, but it was an intro. I wasn't having any flight footage. It was just kind of hovering and testing it out and doing an explanation of what went into the build, which is right here. But I wanted to immediately get some flight footage in, even though it was not going to be something very impressive, but at least to have immediate follow-up video to that. I flew it with the Dal 7-inch props, and then I flew it with these Azure 6145s, which are a little bit smoother, I'll admit. But the Dals were great too. It's just that the Dals, the bigger the prop, the harder it is to tune. These props are apparently a lot easier. I got a kind of a decent tune I'm pretty happy with. I raised the pitch quite a bit. I increased filtering. I believe filtering on these quads is okay, even though filtering adds latency to the pit loop. On these big quads, you don't fly them as aggressively as a race quad or as a freestyle quad, so you can kind of get away with a slightly higher filtering. Plus, usually it kind of needs it because of the higher props, or the bigger props. The footage is nothing amazing. It's just flying over a very nice, pretty field. Kind of far, but not too far, because I haven't set up GPS or rescue or anything like that, so I didn't want to go too risky and lose it on the first day. I shot with a GoPro Hero 7. It has an Ethics MD4 filter on it. I was expecting it was going to be a little bit brighter, but it wasn't. It was kind of hazy, it was cloudy, kind of an interesting afternoon, so the footage is a little bit darker than I would have liked, but the filter's stuck on there, so I really can't get it off, and usually I'm flying in a lot more sunny conditions. So to everybody that subscribed, they're new to the channel, thank you for joining. Check out this video, and there will be more follow-ups on this very soon when I get even better footage. But go ahead and check it out so you know what this is all about, how it's doing. And yeah, to this video, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell if you can as well, and go ahead, check the footage. Alright, last flight with the Super G. Tune pits a little higher, Azure props.